We are pleased to show you the 2019 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.